Hello, Year 4, and welcome to your Maths vocabulary video. In this unit of work, we will be learning about place value. In Year 3, you learnt to count in 100s, to represent three-digit numbers, to find 1, 10 and 100 more or less than a number. You compared and ordered numbers to 1000. You also counted in 50s. In Year 4, you will learn to round numbers to the nearest 10 or 100, to count in thousands, to represent four-digit numbers, to compare and order four-digit numbers, to round numbers to the nearest 1000, to count in 25s, to count back through 0 into negative numbers. We will also be learning about Roman numerals. In this flipped classroom video, you will be learning the key vocabulary for our topic of place value. As I go through the words, we will use my turn, your turn, to help you to learn our key vocabulary. Ones, ones, ones. Tens, tens, tens. Hundreds, hundreds, hundreds. Thousands, thousands, thousands. We can represent four-digit numbers in different ways. For example, we can represent 2,413 using base 10. We can use 2 thousands. We can use 4 hundreds. We can use 1 10 and 3 ones. We can represent 3,487 using the part-whole model. We can see how the number is made. We can also use a place value grid. This shows us that in 4,324, there are 4 thousands, 3 hundreds, 2 tens and 4 ones. Can you choose a four-digit number and represent it in different ways to share with your teacher? Order, order, order. We can compare and order the following numbers. Here we have a representation of 6,303. Here we have a representation of 6,456. I can say 6,303 is less than 6,456. I know 6,303 is smaller because 300 is less than 400. We cannot compare the thousands as they are of equal value. If we look at this example, we can see that this number represents 4,324. The number on the part-whole model represents 462. We can compare the digits 4 in 4,324 represents 4,000, and the 4 in 462 represents 400. 4,000 is greater than 400. So 4,324 is greater than 462. Rounding, rounding, rounding. To round numbers, we use our knowledge of place value. We can round 432 to the nearest 10. The first thing we need to do for step 1 is circle the tens digit. The answer will either be 430 or 400. Step 2, underline the next digit to the right. 0 to 4 means you round down to the 10 before. And 5 to 9 means you round up to the next 10. 432 rounded to the nearest 10 is 430. We can also imagine this on a number line to see which 10 is closer. Positive numbers, positive numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers, negative numbers, negative numbers. There are numbers below 0, which we call negative numbers. It's helpful to visualize these numbers on a number line. Here we can see on a number line that there are numbers that come before 0. These are our negative numbers. We can see that there are numbers that come after 0. These are our positive numbers. -5 is less than -2, as it is further away from 0 and the positive numbers. We will look at negative numbers with temperature. For example, the thermometer is showing -18 degrees. Can you draw a thermometer to show where -22 degrees would be? Finally, we will be learning about Roman numerals. Roman numeral, Roman numeral, Roman numeral. The Roman system do not have a symbol for 0, as they have no place holder. A symbol appears before a larger symbol. It means it's subtracted. For example, 43 equals XL. 50 take away 10. Add I. We would write 43 adds XL, I. A symbol after a larger symbol is added. For example, we would represent 67 as LX plus VII. To convert, you can partition the number to help you. For example, I can partition 47 into 40 add 7. That helps me to represent the number as XL add VII. This is your first time as learning about Roman numerals, so we will be learning about this and looking at this in class. You could have a look at Roman numerals and see if you can practice counting to 10. We are looking forward to hearing you use this math vocabulary in our lessons in class.